and we're gonna eat our sour head. See, it's over. You see?
Yeah.
And we are gonna make the funniest faces, cause
Ever.
we're not used to sour stuff. I
Oh,
might
I
spit
know.
it out. Okay.
Don't spit it out. You can't, because it's a contest.
No.
And we
We're
have to
gonna
eat it.
win.
We have to eat it all. And we cannot spit it out.
It's gonna be hard. 1, 2, 3. You can't spit it out.
That's one more.
Mine's right here, see? I'm a wussy.
You took it out?
Yeah?
Put it in.
No.
Mine's right here.
You eat it.
No.
I'll put it in water.
They're kind of sweet now.
Yeah, I have to put it in water first. Fine.
Here you go. They're sweet.
They're sweet, huh? This is my evil sister that made me eat the rest sour.
The other one came up with recording it.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
See ya.